Hello, hi once again. So I said that I will explain about chordata. So chordata general characters I have given here. Chordates. So chordata, you see five classes here. Okay, cyclostoma is one, but familiar ones are Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. These are the five very important classes in the chordata. They have notochord or vertebral column is we can see, and then Pisces if you see first chordates we come from aquatic. Okay, so the aquatic vertebrates, gills are there for respiration, fins are there for movement, body is covered with scales. This body is covered with scales, remember. Usually they have the bony skeleton, right? And then you see another one, habitat. Mostly they are aquatic, marine or freshwater. Examples are rohu and shark. So these five features I'm explaining. For next one, amphibians, they live on land and also in water. That's why they are called as amphibians, right? Most moist skin they have without scales. So fishes have scales, they have moist skin. They lay eggs in water. Is usually fishes also, um, female fish and male fish. Female fish releases its eggs, and the male fish releases its sperms into the water. External fertilization takes place here also. The male and female, they release their gametes into the water, and then um, external fertilization takes place here. So lays eggs in water. Larval stages with gills. Larval stages will have gills. Adults with lungs and skin. So adults have both lungs and skin for respiration, and larval stages will have only the gills. During the development of the larva, the gills will disappear and develop lungs and moist skin. So they are aquatic and also terrestrial. Okay, they have moist areas also, we'll see. Reptiles 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 here they don't have moist skin, they have dry scaly skin. Okay, I like lizard. Reptiles they have dry scaly skin. Lizard, crocodiles, right? So they are the egg layers, or again oviparous animals. They um, shelled eggs so they will lay. Okay, they breathe with lungs because they are mostly terrestrial cavity, right? So like body temperature variable, ectothermic, right? Next mm, that means here they can, according to the outside environment temperature in the atmosphere, their body temperature also varies. Okay, next terrestrial, most of them are terrestrial, they live on the land. Next aves, birds. So birds they are feathered. Okay, so not like scales in the fishes. Moist skin. Okay, scaly skin. Here comes feathers. So feathers are there. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Here they have four limbs. Amphibians have four limbs and hind limbs. Here reptilia also has a four limbs and hind limbs. Here coming to the aves, birds law, the forelimbs are modified into wings. Remember this. And uh, beak without teeth also will be present. They are also oviparous animals. They are warm-blooded. So, but according to the according to the atmospheric temperature, body temperature will not vary. Okay, and they are terrestrial, aerial, and aquatic. Few are aquatic. If you see, they have pneumatic bones. So for the those who fly, those who are flying, they have pneumatic bones. So that means the air will be filled in the bones. Mammalia, most developed animals. Okay, and in the last, the classification last will be there mammalia. They have high advanced characteristics. Hair on hair or fur will be there on the body. Okay, so to according to the temperature, according to the environment where they are living, the hair and the fur will be there. So mammary glands will be present, because mammary glands, they are the animals which feed the young ones with the milk. So mammary glands are useful for producing the milk and feeding the children. So mammary glands we see in the females only. And four chambered heart will be there. So four chambered heart we see in the mammals. Four chambered heart we see in the aves also. In the reptiles we see the incompletely divided four chambered heart. In the amphibia we see three chambered heart. Here in the Pisces we see two chambered heart only. Okay, so development of the heart you can see gradually from Pisces to the mammals. Okay, so two chambered, three chambered, incompletely divided, four chambered heart. In reptiles, at last we get crocodiles. Crocodiles are the reptiles which have four chambered heart. So they have developed four chambered heart. So aves four chambered heart will be there, and also in mammals four chambered heart will be there. There will be no mix up of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. So they are also warm-blooded animals. So our body temperature is constant. It will not change according to the environment. And then they give birth to the young ones directly. So most of the mammals give direct birth to the young ones. They are viviparous. Here these are oviparous, these are oviparous, these are oviparous. All are laying eggs and giving birth to their young ones. But mammals, most of them they give direct birth to their young ones. So this is about general characteristics of the what is that chordates, right? So like this, if you compare and write your chart for classes, only five classes will be mostly given. So descriptive, for descriptive it is useful. Okay, you can elaborate it with the examples and a few features. That's all. Main features are given, right? So all the best. We'll meet again soon. Thank you.